Good morning. Trigonometric identities in mathematics. Trigonometric identities are true for all values of related trigonometric angles. The trigonometric identities are true for all values of related trigonometric ratio and angles. Here we consider the origin of following identities. First, according to figure in triangle ABC, angle B is right angle 90 degree. For angle theta, BC will be the perpendicular, AB the base, will be the base, and AC will be the hypotenuse. AC will be the hypotenuse. So we can write BC square plus AB square equal to AC square. Perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. It is called what? Dividing each part, each terms of equation 1 by AC square. BC square upon AC square plus AB square upon AC square equal to AC square upon AC square. Next, we can write it BC upon AC whole square plus AB upon AC whole square equal to AC upon AC whole square. Then BC upon AC, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sin theta plus AB upon AC, base upon hypotenuse is called cos theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. It's become the first identity and the equation is second. And it become first identity. This is true for all, not this is true, this is true for all theta where theta is greater than 0 or equal to 0 and less than 90 and equal to 90 degree. Note it. And the next Now, dividing each terms of equation 1 by AB square. AB square. BC square. AB square. AC upon AC. By AB square. BC square upon AB square plus AB square upon AB square equal to AC square upon AB square. We can write it BC upon AB whole square, AB upon AB whole square equal to AC upon AB whole square. It become BC upon AC. BC upon AC perpendicular upon hypotenuse is become the BC upon AC BC upon AB BC upon AB BC upon AB perpendicular upon base is called tan theta plus 1 equal to AC upon AB. AC upon AB is the opposite of cos theta, is called sec theta equal to tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. It is the second identity and the third equation. Now, dividing by the equation first is each part of the dividing each part of the equation first by BC square then it become BC square and BC square. We can write it BC square BC upon BC whole square plus AB upon BC whole square equal to AC upon BC whole square. BC upon BC 1 plus AB upon BC. AB upon BC, opposite of the tan theta is cot theta, equal to AC upon BC. AC upon BC is opposite of sin theta is cosec theta. One plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. It is become the third identity and the fourth equation. Now we write them in the order form. We can write the above identities as follows. We can write the above identities as follow. First, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, or sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. In the three way, we can write the first identity and the second identity. Tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. We can write it the form of tan square theta minus sec square theta equal to 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. And the third identity, the 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, or cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, and cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. In the 9 way, we can write the identities. The first identity we can write in 3 way, and second in 3 way, and third in 3 way. Remember them, and if they can use in our solving of our problem in the coming exercises. Okay, thank you.